Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Ramtar here, and in today's session we are going to discuss about what is wall putty and how to make best use of it. So in this video basically we are going to discuss about the indigo wall putty. So you know that wall putty is a basic term, and it is basically or normally used in Indian market, and mostly people use this to paint on your walls for exterior and interior both. So let's begins with the topic. So what is a wall putty and how it looks? So before talking about the wall putty, I'm going to tell you some overview of wall putty. So you know that nowadays getting a flawless means defectless paint and finish is made is easy with wall putty, and it creates a strong foundation for the paint as well by providing an even and smooth surface to color over. So whether you have just moved into a new houses or if planning to repaint your rooms, you can just use wall putties, and it will ensure that your new paint let last longer to give out the first day appearance throughout the year, because everyone want to get that kind of appearance that will look forever the same. So strictly speaking, wall putty actually you know that it's a, you can define like it's a fine powder, because people almost getting confused that what is the wall putty. So wall putty actually it's a fine powder made of white cement, which is only using it is mixed with the water to create a solution that applied to the wall. So it's basically the combination of cement, means it made of with cement, and during application we mixed it with water to create a solution. So if you apply the solution properly, it fills the cracks and imperfections and gaps in the walls uh, to create an even base for your paint. The smooth mixture of wall paint, wall putty and water fits perfectly over any type of wall to create a flawless surface in the interior or exterior of your house. So here are some images how it looks actually. So you can see wall putty how it looks in different pictures. So now what are the areas of applications where we can apply the wall putties? So there are different kind of areas where you can use the wall putty, like for interior or exterior walls of your houses, and any kind of over wet and dry walls as well you can use it, and different kind of plasters or new concrete walls you can use. So this kind of versatility makes them the best choice for painting any types of walls. Generally you know that professional painters apply 2 coats of indigo wall putty before painting any surface, and the first coat fills in the imperfections and the second coat ensures that the coated surface and the wall are in one line with each other. Means there should not be any kind of misbehave between two substrates, or between the coating and the substrate. You can use the putty over wet and dry walls as well. So now coming on next thing, what is the types of wall putty? How many types of wall putties are available in the market right now? So there are different kind of wall putties are available in the market. So it's a quality of wall putty is a clear reflection of your status in society. We all know that if you are having a good kind of wall putty on your house's walls, then it will reflect your uh, image in the society, and a good wall paint can either make or break your impressions in front of your guest as well or friends. So thus it is important to understand the options available in the market before investing your money. Means if you're gonna invest your money to buy a wall putty, so you have to analyze the product quality as well. So take a good look at your room and get one of the best wall putty tabs or requirement. So the wall putty tabs, whatever in are available in Indian market, so those are distinguished based on their compositions. So first one is a white cement based wall putty. So what is the white cement based wall putty? Actually, is the this is the white cement based wall putty. It's very famous and used for interior and exterior walls, and it is made using special additives and plus to multitask as a putty. Means it can fulfill a different requirement of your uh, for your substrate, like it would work like a sealer and filler or plaster or concrete walls. Then white cement minerals and polymers are mixed together and they form a white cement based wall putty. So generally they come in a dry form and release no unpleasant odor, means they are odor free, and they will give you perfect environmental friendly coating as you apply them on the wall and with smooth film. Then there are one kind of indigo polymer putty gold series are also available. So those are made with the best redispersible polymers, which can provide you exceptional adhesive strength to putty and to create a strong hold between the paint and your wall. Means they will give you a strong adhesion between the putty and your wall. So they smoothen the roughest of the surfaces and they will give you a best smooth base for painting, because every room you know that having deserve to look good. So due to its cement form, the putty is water resistance as well, so it will really resist water, and you can apply it on wet surfaces as smoothly as on the dry. Means it is recommended to use for wet and dry substrates, for both you can use. Then coming on acrylic wall putty. So acrylic wall putty, out of the wall putty tabs, one of them is acrylic. So this acrylic one does the job of bringing out the best features, you can say, of a paint perfectly. So indigo acrylic wall putty is very famous, and it is made with the finest ingredients by the experienced professionals to bring a premium touch to your lifeless walls and makes your paint look good, and adds life to its durability with its strong adhesiveness. Means and it will give you alkali resistance features. We have used special binders to make this kind of uh, putties, and to give you a strong grip on the surface of the wall. So this kind of putties are having very good alkali resistance, water resistance, and those are dries faster than the white cement based putties and provides a matte finish, means low gloss scene finish. So it gives a long lasting almost extra smooth surface for the paint, and leaves your house with a rich matte finish. So the indigo acrylic putty is made with exceptional whiteness and perfect consistency to make your emulsions appear richer and better compared to any other kind of putties those are available in the market. Even it could be white cement based or indigo, different kind of series. So these are types of putties. You can select any one on your requirement. So what is the how to use wall putties and what are the steps? So I would like to recommend you, if you are going to first one like cure time, means cure time of a new surface or substrate. So if you are planning to paint a new masonry surface, then I feel that give it some time to cure before applying the wall putty paint. And experts generally whoever they recommend at least 28 days to cure the masonry surface before starting to work on it. Then second thing is surface cleaning, surface preparation. So clean the surface thoroughly before applying the primer or putty, because any unevenness or visible dust or algae could affect the quality of your paint. So means whatever specification and quality they are giving in their product, you can't get because of the poor surface preparation. So remove the loose paint, grease or dust on the surface of a wall by using good quality of sandpapers. Then third one, like if there is any growth of algae or fungus, remove it using a wire brush. You can use to remove that, and water. Then use a soft cloth to clean the surface of the wall. And then you can now apply a coat of indigo water thinner primer before applying the wall putty paint to get a good adhesion and alkali exchange properties. Then allow it to dry for approximately 7 hours before applying the wall putties. You can also apply, then you can apply one of the indigo wall putty tabs to fill the imperfections on the wall. Means any kind of imperfections, if it is there, you can use this indigo wall putty to fill those, and let it dry for 4 to 6 hours before proceeding further. Then use the same sandpaper you used earlier to clean your surface, and to smoothen the surface and wipe it with a soft towel. Then you can apply the final coat of your primer, and after it has dried, means that final primer coat, if it has dried, then you can sand the surface with the different sandpapers. Now your surface is ready to paint. So this is the actual way to clean the surface before applying your paint. So what are the benefits of a wall putty, and why should we buy wall putty, why should we apply wall putty? I feel this would be a common question for all. So wall putty having different kind of benefits. First one is like wall putty gives a smoother and finish to your wall. Then it effectively waterproofs, so you can get moisture resistance properties, and it doesn't flake easily to damage your wall. So it will protect your walls, and you can use your favorite wall putty that designed to increase the lifespan of your expensive paint, and the paint is glued perfectly to the wall with the help of wall putty color. So this kind of benefits you will get with this wall putty. Then what are the painting tips? So there are some kind of painting tips, means how should apply, and so you know that before applying the wall putty, you have to apply primer and let it dry completely. Then for a flawless finish, means defectless finish, you must allow your wall to get dry ready for application of the wall putty color whatever you want. Then check the surface of a wall for any imperfections are there or not. If there is a hole or a crack, then use a screwdriver to remove the dirt from the gap. Then fill the wall putty inside in the better result, for better result, and let the first coat dry properly before applying the next coat. Means used to prevent the wet on wet coat application. Then after applying the second coat, allow the wall to dry overnight, then don't forget to smoothen the surface with the sandpaper before applying your final coat of your primer. So these are the steps you can consider during application of wall putty. Then and you know that some other ideas like applying a good wall putty is a battle for flawless walls, and using the right wall putty will benefit you for years to come, I feel. And select wisely and enjoy the beauty of your walls. So I hope that you guys would be liking this video, because it's a really good knowledge about wall putties, and what are the features benefits of wall putties you can get from this video. And if you like this session video, please share with your friends. And thank you all uh, for being the part of this session, and I hope that you would like this session. Thank you. Thank you once again.